guys, my name is Samriti Tripathi and I study in class 5th. And today in this video I will tell you about a disease. That disease is heart attack. So, in our daily life, the heart attack is becoming the common disease in our lifestyle. Heart attack is come from the cholesterol. Cholesterol is a substance that block the veins, and when the veins has blocked, then the blood cells cannot bring the oxygen and blood to the heart to all our full body. So this is called the heart attack. So why this is happens? Why this is happened to eat what we should eat? So it is happened because eating of too much of oil, junk foods, masalas, and many more things. Junk food, masalas, oil, and these also things we should not eat too much because they hurt our body. They increase our fat, and they also bring cholesterol. Cholesterol is started from the year of 20 years, and then it come from the 70 to 80 years. This is very common diseases, means it is started with the childhood, then it will go to the adults. So this is the heart attack. In this diseases, if you have, then we should eat healthy foods like salad, milk, turmeric milk, and many more good things. You can see in YouTube there are many healthy foods dishes you can make in your home and you can eat, but avoid the junk food, masalas, and oil, and other also many more things. So these was the some things what you should do. So we should avoid the junk food always, because it also increase our fat, and it harm our full body. It never give us benefit our body, it only harm our body. So when the cholesterol started small, then it get larger, and when it get larger, then the small blood cells cannot go through the blood veins. So then it is impossible to how the blood will go to the heart, then it will go to the body, and how it will go to the lungs. So now I will explain the blood cells. What are the blood cells? Blood cells are very important. They bring the blood and oxygen to our body. It first go to the heart, then it go to the all the pairs of the it go all through our body, then it come back again to the heart. If any veins has blockage, then this is impossible, because it is very blockage. If you have 70% of blockage, then it is no any issue. If you have 100 or 80% of 180% of cholesterol, then it is more issue. But if you have 70 or 60%, if you have 70 or 60% cholesterol, then you should get checkup with your doctor. If after sometimes it will increase and you can also die. Many in India, this is most common things. This is most common disease. Many people has done this. So these was the videos, today's videos. If you like my video, then please like, and if you like my video, then subscribe this channel. Bye bye.